Hello, my name is Brian Rockwell, PLM Solutions Architect for Rockwell Consults. And I want to talk to those customers, Infor customers that are using Infor PLM Discrete 10.2, which are, I'm sure you're well aware of the potential issues that we have with Microsoft Silverlight and end of life. I'm sure that has become a significant issue in the past couple of years. But I do have some good news. There are some options, and those options would be either the newer version of PLM for Discrete, which is both cloud ready as well as on-prem capable, as well as maybe moving away from Infor Discrete, PLM Discrete completely, and moving to Eris as a potential option because of its best of breed class and being sustainable for the near future as far as we know. But if you want to have some information or have questions about that, please contact Rockwell Consults and give us an opportunity to help you to make the correct identification and consider the best option to move forward.